Shopping on Temu and looking for ways to get the best deals? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll be giving you 6 tips on how to get the best deals when shopping on Temu. Now let's get started. Temu is known for having low prices on most of their items, but there are lots of ways to get even better deals on Temu. Let's break down some top tips to get the best deals. First up are special offers. On Temu's homepage, you can find sections with lightning deals, limited time offers, and other deals for items that are heavily discounted. Check out these sections to find some of the best deals available on the app. Next are coupon codes. On social media and various coupon websites, you may find coupon codes for Temu that will give you a certain amount off of your order total or a percentage discount off on your order. These coupon codes can help you get better prices on your orders. You can also get access to coupon codes and other discounts by signing up for communications from Temu through WhatsApp. Another way to get good deals on Temu are bundle deals. Some sellers will give discounts if you buy a certain number of items from them. For example, a seller might offer a buy 5 get 1 free deal, where if you pick 5 items from their catalog, you can pick a 6th item for free. The details of these deals will depend on the seller and what they're specifically offering, but they can be a good way to get a discount on your order. If one of your friends has shopped on Temu before, they may be able to send you a referral link where you get a discount off your first order and they get credit to use towards a future purchase. If you know anyone else that shops on Temu, ask them if they can send you a referral code for a win-win for both of you. If you shop on Temu frequently, you can consider subscribing to the Temu Circle membership. This is a similar idea to Amazon Prime. Benefits of their membership program include getting to choose 2 free items per month, 2 to 10% credit back to your Temu account with every purchase depending on your order total, as well as Circle deals for extra discounts on specific items, 24/7 customer service, and more. Our last tip is to get price adjustments. If you purchase something from Temu and it happens to go on sale for a better price within 30 days of your purchase, you can get a price adjustment. This is a great way to ensure you'll get the best possible deal, even if it gets further discounted after you order something. That wraps up our 6 tips to get the best deals when shopping on Temu. If you haven't downloaded the Temu app yet, check out this video to learn how to get it. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.